And yet again, I win my money back. So 5 times $2. I bought 2 of these for $5 each. And then I got $10 on this one. So it's just like, and I bought 2 of these. So it's just meant for me to have the money. So I'm going to cash these in and take my money back. So sorry for the lighting, but you know, gotta do what we gotta do. The car is back, front bumper and everything is on. So the only thing that we have to do is put the hood latch on. One of the hood latches were broken, so it wasn't able to go down. But after that, we'll put the fog lights in. As you can see, they're empty. And that other piece, the Distronic, goes on it. So yeah, sorry, I'm kind of blocking the screen, but yeah, the car looks like a car, so it's cool. But yeah, this is a really cool car, and we are going to sort this out. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys in the next clip or whatever. I have no idea. Yeah, this thing sounds so good. Perfect. Wow, like this car is so cool looking. I really like this thing. Like, this thing is such a cool looking car. So I forgot how dark the tint is, but yeah, it's gonna stay okay. Yeah. Yeah, man. Sorry, the light's terrible, but yeah, I'm gonna walk down like the things that we did. So we put the bumper on, we put the hood on, we did the alternator. The only thing that the reason that we didn't put the bracket and the Distronic on is because one of the brackets that the guy gave us, like the guy that we got the car from, is broken. So I have to order another, well, not bracket, the hood latch is broken. So I have to put that latch on because there's 2 latches, and then there's like the hook in the front. So I have to put those things on. And then once I put those things on, we should be all set. Put the Distronic on, and then, let me see, did he put the, no, he didn't put the hook on. So I have to put the hook on as well. Or he said he'll do it, whichever. But yeah, so for all that work, I paid $300. So that's very, very good. So he did great work. After this, after I order the thing, get those last parts and put them on, and I kind of wrap the car up, I'm gonna test water on the vehicle and see. If we can get, I'm gonna throw a number out there because I'm gonna list it and you guys are gonna see it, but if we get our asking, I'm gonna list it for 18.5 and see what we go from there. But if we get anywhere within that range, gonna get rid of the car, and then with the funds from that, we're gonna get another project and do it all over again. Yeah, so if not, we're in no rush. We'll enjoy the car while we have it, but till then, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll get to you guys in the next video. I'm not sure if it's going to be a AMG video. I'm not sure if it's going to be me picking up the new vehicle, because I do have it in the works. So yeah, you guys just have to stay tuned, because I'm not even sure. So drink water, motherfuckers.
NANI?!